Hello and welcome to our next video from this course entitled 5 ways to start an online home-based business. Now in the previous video we have talked about how to start a Kindle publishing business, basically how to start creating ebooks and sell them on Amazon, and now I want to show you a little bit how this works so you can understand better. Basically it's pretty simple, but maybe you want to have a look to see some examples so that you can see that this actually works. So the first things first, okay, what I want you guys to do is go ahead on Amazon.com and you will have an option here in the departments, okay, which says Kindle Store. Now click on the Kindle Store, then click on the small search icon, and basically the Kindle Store will be open for you, okay? And we have here different deals, different books which are sold, and as you can see here, okay, we have ebooks which have 488 reviews, ebooks who have over 3,500 reviews, 923 reviews, and so on. Now what I want you to understand is that the review ratio, so from all people who are buying an ebook, maybe one leave a review, something like that, two in the best cases. That means that, for example, this ebook has over 10,000 buyers by now, okay? And if you look at this price, $2.47, that means that this ebook has generated in sales probably somewhere at 25K at least till this moment. So at least till this moment, at least 25K in sales, and that means in profits for the author probably, I don't know, somewhere around $15,000 or something like that, okay, which is pretty good. So that's a passive income, and I can bet that probably this is not the first ebook this author has, okay? So you can see he has a lot of ebooks here, okay, which is pretty cool. So this is how it works, okay? This is how Kindle works. So you just have to go ahead, create an account on kdp.amazon.com, and then you will be able to start publishing ebooks here. Now let me show you an example of an account. What I did with one of my Amazon accounts as a test, I've created a Kindle Direct Publishing account. You can see that I'm on kdp.amazon.com. Kindle Direct Publishing, my account, okay, I can sign out, and you can see that here is the sales dashboard. If I scroll down, Kindle edition normalized pages read, so here you can see how many were read, okay. Let's see if we have any paid units. So we have free units but paid units too. Let's check out the free units. So we have some paid units. Remember, basically I have a book here on Kindle about email marketing published in 2016, and basically I didn't handle that launch of the ebook or absolutely anything regarding it at all. So all of these sales are completely passive. Probably if I would involve more time into it, okay, people would buy more of this ebook, and I'm not in a niche which is hot at all, okay? I just put an ebook out there to see if this works or not, and it works, okay? If you scroll down, you can see the royalty from different countries actually, okay, for this ebook. So this is how it works, okay? You will have an account like this. You will have a bookshelf. You can see this is the ebook I'm talking about. It's selling for $0.99. I cannot even sell it for more because it's an ebook that has like 45 pages, so it's not something too fancy or anything like that, and the niche isn't best selling at all or anything like that, okay? I can promote and advertise it if I want to, but I don't want to because this was just a test for me. Anyway, this is how it will look like. You'll have a bookshelf here, okay, and you will see the ebooks here, and what you can do is create a new book like Kindle ebook or paperback, so you can basically choose to sell the ebook in physical format if you want to, okay? But let's say that you want in digital format because that's the whole idea. You just create it from here, then you select a price and you do your thing, okay? It's pretty simple, nothing too fancy, nothing too complicated, okay? Now let me show you how you can find ebook writers on Fiverr. So you go on fiverr.com, you look for ebook writing, and you can find a lot of people who are writing ebooks here. Okay, you can see prices starting from $20, $40, $50, so not a lot of money at all. I will write ebook on any niche, $40, $45, $40. I mean, you can find very cheap prices if you don't want to write your own ebook. And let's say that you write like 2 ebooks per month. That's maybe an investment of $100 for you. You launch them every single month, 2 ebooks. At the end of the year, you have like 24 ebooks. 24 ebooks can generate for you anywhere from $700 to $1,000 per month. And your investment for that would be, if you take in consideration $60 per ebook, would be somewhere at let's say $1,300, $1,400 to be able to generate every single month around $700 in passive income. You know, that's not bad at all. I mean, it's actually pretty good. Now, what you want to do again, and this is absolutely crucial for the success of this business, is to find niches which are top selling. Okay, don't go ahead and just launch ebooks in absolutely any niche or on any topic, because some of them will not sell or will sell very low. Okay, like mine. You just go ahead, do your research right, find a good topic, and you'll definitely be able to sell. Now, after you launch your ebooks, another thing that you can do is hire a voiceover artist or anything like that and turn your ebook into an audiobook, and you can sell that ebook through Audible. Basically, you will sell the audiobook version of the ebook, okay, through Audible, and you can make money from there as well. So we have a lot of opportunity with this, but just start with the Kindle publishing. Okay, now thank you very much for watching. I hope this was interesting and helpful for you, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture and video.